Hello students, welcome back to our today's video session class. In the last video class we have done exercise number 13.2, understanding shapes. Today I am going to do exercise number 13.3. okay, but before doing exercise 13.3 I want to have some discussion with you about some special type of quadrilaterals or parallelograms. First one is a rectangle. As you know what is a rectangle. Rectangle is a four-sided figure whose opposite sides are equal. All angles are of 90 degree. Diagonals are of equal length and bisect each other. Next is the square. Square is a four-sided figure whose all sides are equal, diagonals are equal, all angles are of 90 degree, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Okay, means perpendicular bisected to each other. After that, parallelogram that we have discussed in the last exercise 13.2. Next, that is a trapezium. Trapezium is a again four-sided figure. It's a quadrilateral whose any of the two opposite sides are parallel and other two sides are not parallel. Okay, here the diagonals are not equal, but if the non-parallel sides are equal to each other, then the trapezium is called as isosceles trapezium. Means a trapezium whose one of the opposite sides are parallel but non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called an isosceles trapezium. Here the diagonals are equal but does not bisect each other. Here the base angles are of equal measure. Okay. So then after that another figure is kite. Is there or not? I don't know. Kite is not there in your book. Okay, so up to square, rectangle and rhombus is there. Trapezium is also not there in your book. So these are the properties of rectangle, square and rhombus. Now we'll start our exercise number 13.2. Here some questions are objective questions are given. Identify all the quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal length, that is rhombus and a square. All four are right angles, only square and rectangle. Explain how a square is a quadrilateral, because it is a four-sided figure. It is a parallelogram because opposite sides of a square are parallel to each other. Why it is a rhombus? Because again all sides are equal and diagonals are perpendicular bisected to each other. Why it is a rectangle? Opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, all angles are 90 degree, and obviously the two diagonals are of equal length. Now name the quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other. Square, rectangle, parallelogram and square, rhombus. They bisect each other. Now perpendicular bisected to each other means only in case of square and rhombus. Diagonals are of equal length. Rectangle, square. Okay. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. One of the diagonal of a rhombus and its sides are equal. Find the angles of the rhombus. What is said? One of the diagonals of a rhombus and its sides are equal. Means how is the figure? I must draw the figure on the board. That will make you to understand easily. Suppose if I draw a rhombus like this, whose all sides are equal. Now you have to take a Now you have to take a diagonal in such a way the measure of that diagonal will be equal to the length of these three, all four sides. So if I take a diagonal like this, okay, suppose if you take A, B, C and D. Here you know AB is equal to BC equals to CD equals to AD, that is equal to BD also. The diagonal BD is equal to this all four sides. Now we have to find the measure of all the four angles. How will you measure? Now if you consider in triangle ABD, what we will see here, AB is equal to BD is equal to AD. So therefore triangle ABD is an equilateral triangle, and you know the measure of all the angles of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. That means angle there, this implies angle A is equal to angle ABD is equal to angle ADB, that is equal to 60 degree. That means this angle is 60 degree. If angle A is 60 degree, then C will be also 60 degree. So angle C is equal to angle A, that is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. So we have got the two angles A and C, both are 60 degree. Now we have to find angle B. Since these two opposite sides are parallel to each other, that means if you take AB as a diagonal, transversal, that angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Now you write, now angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree because of co-interior angles, or sum of the adjacent angles of a parallelogram or rhombus are always 180 degree. So from that we can also write. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. So angle B is equal to 120 degree. Again angle B and D are equal, opposite angles. So therefore we can write angle D is equal to angle B is equal to 120 degree. The same reason, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. So we have got all the four angles. This is 120 degree and this is also 120 degree. In this way we can find all the four angles of the quadrilateral rhombus. Okay, now the next question that I will take, question number 5 is another interesting question. Here is given, in the adjoining figure ABCD is a rhombus, find the value of X, Y and Z. So you can see here, you know the property of rhombus, that diagonals bisect each other. That means the two diagonals, if you take the intersection point as O, then OA is equal to OC. That means X equals to 8. Similarly, if you take Y and means BO equals to OD, that means Y equals to 6. Now you have to find Z. How will you find? By Pythagoras theorem you have to use, because diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisected to each other. So AB will be the hypotenuse. So Y square plus X square is equal to Z square. You can find the measure of these angles. Okay. Next is question number 7 I am going to do. Here in the adjoining figure ABCD is a rectangle. If angle CEB ratio ECB is equal to 2:3, find the measure of other angles, that is angle CEB and DCF. Let us do this question. Question number 7. Now first of all, I'll draw the figure. Here is the rectangle. Okay. The name is A, B, C and D. So here is a straight line which passes through the vertex C and touches AB at E. Okay. This is here, figure is given. ABCD is rectangle and the ratio of angle CEB, ratio angle ECB is equal to, is given 3:2. 3:2 means this is 3x, you can write, and you take this as 2x. So let the angle CEB is equal to 3x and angle ECB is equal to 2x. Now you have to find the measure of CEB, means you have to find CEB, means you have to find first 3x, and also DCF, you have to find this angle also. So how will you find? Let us solve this question first. You know that all the angles of a rectangle are of 90 degree. That means angle B is 90 degree. So when you take this small angle EBC, what you will get? 2x plus this 90 plus 3x is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So you consider now, you can write in triangle EBC, angle CEB plus angle EBC plus angle ECB, this plus this plus this, that is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. So here it is 3x, it is 90 degree, and it is 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now 2x plus 3x is 5x, and 180 minus 90, so x equals to 90 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40, that is 18. So therefore angle CEB number 1 is equal to 3x, means 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. So first one is the 54 degree angle CEB. Now you have to find this angle. For this angle to find, what you have to find? First of all, if it is 3x, then it will be also 3x. Why? Because DC is parallel to AB and CF is a transversal. So therefore, so you can write number 2 here. AB is parallel to DC and FE, EF is a transversal. Therefore, angle ECB is equal to angle ECD. Why? Because of alternate interior angles. So angle ECD is equal to also 3x, that is equal to 54 degree. Now if it is 54, then and EF is a straight line, so this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degree. Now you can write, now angle ECD plus angle DCF is equal to 180 degree. You can write here linear pairs or supplementary angle, you can also write, or angles in a straight line. So now it is 54 plus angle DCF is equal to 180 degree. So angle DCF is equal to 180 minus 54, that is equal to, it is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2, and we get 126 degrees. So one angle is 54 and second part of the question is, answer is 126 degree. So in this way you can find this solution. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. Another important question, question number 11 I will do. Is the question of kite. Another type of quadrilateral, that is kite. What is a kite? Kite is again a four-sided figure whose adjacent sides are equal. In a kite, adjacent sides are equal and the vertical diagonal will bisect the horizontal diagonal also. Sorry, and perpendicular at right, bisect at perpendicular. So first of all I will draw the figure. So x, y, it is x, this is y, then this is 120, and the next one is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. So here in the question here PQRS, it is P, Q, R and S. Okay, the kite is given and you have to find the value of this x and y. How will you find this x and y? As you know that in a kite, always remember that since the adjacent sides are equal, so one of the opposite angles are also equal. So you can say angle Q is equal to angle S. Okay, or so here number 11, angle X equals to 120 degree. Why? Because one of the adjacent opposite angles are equal. So the property is given in a kite. It is given in your book that in AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to CD. So properties of kite, angle A is equal to always C. So if it A, B, C, D, so these two angles will be equal. Okay. So x will be equals to 120 degree. After that, how will you find y? Because it is a quadrilateral, sum of the four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So now you can write now angle x plus angle y plus 120 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 360 degree, because sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is always 360. That we have done in the first exercise. So this implies x in between place of x we can write 120 plus y plus 50 plus again 120 is there is equal to 360 degree. So angle y is equal to 360 degree minus 120 plus 120 is 240. 240 plus 50 is 290. So therefore angle y is equal to 0. 16 minus 9 is 7 and here 2 minus 2 is 0. So it is 70 degree. So we have got the two answer. X equals to 120 degree and y is equal to 70 degree. Easy question but not so hard. Simple type of question this is. So students, these are the few questions from your exercise number 13.3 and we have completed our this chapter. In the next class we will start another chapter. Okay, so I think you have understood the sums that I have discussed with you today in this video class. If you get any doubts in the next video online class, you can ask me. Definitely I will explain you some more questions there also. So but go through the chapter and please watch the video again and again. Hope it will help you to understand the chapter properly. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the video class. Thank you student very